WLtoys Q393, Q696. Set flight at this moment. Strong flight performance. Built-in magnetic motor, full of power. .4G, two-way transmission remote control. Precise control of digitization. High quality, HD picture quality for aerial effect. Equipped with 2-axis coreless cup gimbal. Air pressure height, holding with stability, bringing you to enjoy a different visual feast. .4G two-way transmission remote control can display electricity, speed, height, flight time of the drone. Press the speed button. Turn on the power switch. You can switch among the mode 1, 2, 3, 4. Q393 multi-camera package for selection. The transmitter can adjust the camera lens angle, supporting memory card. Q696 multi-camera package for selection. 2-axis coreless cup gimbal to make image more clear, more stable. Plug-in battery box to make battery replacement easier. Frequency description. Turn on the remote control and the aircraft power switch. After the remote control drops a sound and the aircraft status light flashes, hold the remote control rocker up and down in the end until the aircraft status light is bright continuously. Push the throttle to take off. A button to take off. Land. Press the button to take off. The aircraft will automatically raise about 1 meter. Press the button to land when flying. The aircraft will enter the automatic landing function. Air pressure height holding function. The aircraft is equipped with the air pressure height holding function. It will automatically stabilize at a certain height when flying. The shooting image is more stable and stable. 5.8G HD transmission. Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Download dedicated app software. You can achieve real-time transmission of aerial photography and mobile phone control flight. 3D rolling. Using a strong magnetic motor. Strong power. Press the rolling button and pull the direction controlling rod to achieve rolling action. Strong power can support high-speed, continuous rolling. 1 button to return. After the departure of the aircraft to take off 20 meters, long press a key return button. The aircraft hanging in place 2 to 3 seconds automatically rose to 20 meters, began to return, landing after the Mazda cutoff. Press the headless mode switch for a while. The light will change into flash. This time, the aircraft will not separate tail anymore. Regardless of the location of the aircraft are, the direction of the head of aircraft is identified as the forward when the aircraft takes off. Urgent stop. If the aircraft has an accident when flying, you can press speed and tumbling buttons to stop the aircraft motor turning urgently. Multi-speed switching. Basic function display. Upward. Downward. Forward. Backward. Turn left. Turn right. Right side flying. Left side flying. WLtoys Q393 Q696 racing drone.